Hi guys, clip 556 parallelograms. So first thing is to just look and see how this shape relates to a rectangle. So put a dotted line down there. I'm going to shade this triangle in. This only works where these two sides are parallel and these two sides are parallel. That's the definition of a parallelogram. So if I take this green triangle and I move it to be over here, and I'm going to put it there, it would fit exactly there. So this is the same as that. So notice now what I've got a rectangle. I'll take that line down, go across, down there, down there. So I've now got this 11 is still the bottom because I've just shifted across. This measurement is the same as this, and I've still got the height of 6. So the area of a parallelogram is the same as the area of a rectangle. And we know how to find the area of a rectangle. It's just length times width. That makes these really straightforward. The only difference is it has to be the perpendicular height. Okay, so it's the perpendicular height. In other words, that means at 90 degrees. So that will be, this will be 90 degrees, has to be 90 degrees, times by whatever the base is. So it's base times perpendicular height. So in this question it would be 11's the base, and the perpendicular height, which is this one, is the same as that, which is 6. That makes 66 meters squared. It's as straightforward as that. So number 2. Right, this time be really careful. Which one's the height, which one's the base? So I don't need this because that's nothing to do with the height or the base. That one would be the height or the base, it's up to you. But if I did a dotted line here, that's my height. Okay, so here is 8.5. And then I've got this one, which is 4. So height, base. Ignore the ones that are on diagonals. This is 90 degrees, which is the perpendicular height. Right, so how do I times by 4 quickly? Double, double. Double 8.5 is 17, and double 17 is 34 centimeters squared because it's area. Right, number 3. Right, this is where it gets a little bit trickier, but you're going to split it up into 2. So if you've done compound area, this time you're doing one inside and then the big shape. So to get the shaded part, I need to do the big, so number 1, the big trapezium, which has got measurements of 17, and we've got to work out what the height is. So this dotted line there, that's 3. I've got 5 there plus 3. That would give me my height of the big trapezium. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 11. So this will be 17 times 11. So 170 to be 10 lots. Add another 17 is 187 meters squared. And number 2 is the small one inside. Height is 5. And then the base is that one, which is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. And then how do we get just the bit that's shaded? Well, I do this time, instead of adding them, I'm going to do the big one, take away the small one. So 187, take away 40, and I get 147 meters squared. Okay, so hopefully now you can have a go at the rest.